Hi everyone, here we've got Nokia 5.4 and let me share with you how to enable, so how to manage and how to turn on or off the watermark on this device. So firstly, let's enter the camera app and now let's tap on the settings which are in the left upper corner. Here we have to find the photo section and at the very bottom of it we've got the watermark. So let's tap on it and here we've got the preview. This is a sample photo where we can check how the watermark will look like. We can turn on the device information and just by tapping on it we will be able to apply the default watermark, which is just the name of your device, but we can also turn on the personal message. Just tap on the switcher and as you can see here we can enter our own watermark. So let me enter, for example, HardReset.Info and confirm it with OK. And as you can see here we've got also some font styles from which we can choose, so it's a very cool option. What's more, here we've got also the personalized image option which we can turn on. So it means that if you've got your own watermark, for example, made in the graphic program like Photoshop, then you will be able to upload it right here and apply it to the photos. Let me pick, for example, this one. Let me turn off the device information and we are left only with our personal message. So now we can go back to the camera and check if it will work. So let me take a photo just by tapping on the shutter button and let's go to the preview and check. And as you can see here we've got our own watermark applied to that photo. So since you will turn on the watermark on all photos you will take, it will appear. Let me get back to the camera actually. Can I get back? And let me turn it off. So all you have to do is to just enter the settings and tap on the switcher right here. And after taking a photo, the photo will not be significated with your watermark. So well, actually that's all. This is how to manage, how to turn on or off and customize the watermark in your Nokia 5.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.